morning students, welcome to the class of computers. Open your Adobe Photoshop books. Students, in the last class we people have discussed art history brush tool, eraser tool, magic eraser tool and background eraser tool. And in the class of today we will cover page number 25 till 26 and we will discuss the topics gradient tool and paint bucket tool. So students, open your books at the page number 25. Our first topic is gradient tool. Gradient tool creates a gradual blend between multiple colors. When we want to make the blending of the colors, then we are using gradient tool. It cannot be used with the bitmaps, indexed color or 16-bit per channel image. For know more about gradient tool, let us do its practical. I'll open Adobe Photoshop. Click on File menu, Place option. I'll select this image. Click on Place button. Hold and drag the mouse to set the image according to our requirement. Right click on the layer and click on Edit Content so that we can make changes. Click on OK button. Students, firstly we have to select the part of the image. For that I will choose Magic Wand tool and I'll select the part of the image. I have selected this part of the image. Now this is the gradient tool. When I click on the gradient tool, we have different options in the option bar. We are having different styles of the gradient. Let's suppose I will select this gradient. After that we are having linear gradient, radial gradient, angle gradient, reflected gradient and diamond gradient. As per our requirement, we can select different types of gradients. We are having different modes. We can select the opacity also and this reverse option to reverse the order of the color. As per our requirement, we can select different types of gradients. Now this time I will do its radial gradient. Then hold and drag the mouse. In this way we can do the gradient fill in our selected part of the image. If I'll click on this tick button, then see the gradient strokes are in the reverse order. Clear students? Now let us do its steps. Steps to use gradient tool. Click on Start button. All program Adobe Photoshop CS3. Place an image. Select the part of the image. Select the gradient tool. Select the required options and hold and drag the mouse. Clear students? Our next topic is paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool allows to fill similar colored area with the foreground color. Means that whenever we want to fill a color in the part of the image, then we can use paint bucket tool. It cannot be used with bitmap mode. Now let us do the practical to use the paint bucket tool. For that we will open Adobe Photoshop. Students, first of all we have to select the part of the image. I'll use Magic Wand tool. I'll click over there and I'll select the part of the image. Now here is the paint bucket tool. When I'll click over there, we are having different options in the option bar like foreground color or pattern. If I'll click on the pattern, then we are having different patterns that we can use according to our requirements. And I'll use the foreground color. We are having different types of modes, opacity, tolerance. As per our requirement, we can select the required options from the option bar. Now I'll pick any color from the color palette and click on the selected area. Now see, in this way we can fill the color with the help of paint bucket tool. Now clear, students? Now we will discuss the steps to use paint bucket tool. Click on start button, all program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Place the image, select the part of image, select paint bucket tool, choose the required options like mode, tolerance, opacity as per our requirement. Then hold and drag the mouse. In this way we can use the paint bucket tool to fill the color in the part of image. So students, in the class of today we people have discussed gradient tool and paint bucket tool. Do the practical of these tools with the help of school links. Thank you so much.